Okay, welcome to phase two of GeoFence social media scavenger hunt, how to monetize. So let's go over it real quick because we have good ground to cover, and we'll kind of show you why this is so fun, why it makes so much money for the Holiday Inn Express, and why it could make so much money for you as well. So obviously we set up the Holiday Inn Express. We went over this. We have all that kind of set up. The reason why they can make some money, and by the way, I just added here Brewster's Ice Cream. I added a racetrack gas station. I added a car wash, and here was Atlanta Bread here. Here's Walmart over here and Longhorn Steakhouse here. I'm going to zoom in and show you something in a minute. But obviously all of these businesses, Chili's and Mia's and everyone around here, would love to have all of the visitors from Holiday Inn Express come over and have a free cone or something, right? There it is. So, of course, they are going to give all of the Holiday Inn Express customers a free cone in return for the marketing that Holiday Inn Express is doing on behalf of Brewster's Ice Cream. So one of the first things they tell you when you're checking into your room is that, hey, we got a free ice cream cone waiting, and by the way, this Brewster's is great, but we got a whole little scavenger hunt, which I'll explain to you later. And go get your free ice cream cone at Brewster's and let them know how great the ice cream is. Take a really funny picture of you licking it, maybe all over your face. I mean, all kinds of things. We're going to post the top 10 pictures of Brewster's where you're sharing this to your social media network, talking about how great the ice cream is, and the top 10 today are going to win a free room tonight, or the top 5, or whatever they want to do. And then we have all of this fed back in real time into the bar. So everybody can see these pictures pointing. They could vote on them if they wish. And you could do anything. And because you're giving away a really nice prize with free ice cream, with free appetizers at the steakhouse, with free coffee at Atlanta Bread, with another contest at Walmart, these people love it. They're going to go there to get the free thing, but mainly because they want to win a weekend at the Holiday Inn Express where the whole bill is covered for the top 10 people who have the greatest time, the most fun. So this is business synergy at its finest, and you have the scavenger hunt, and you can control dwell time. And by controlling dwell time, you can now bring in other businesses, and all of them are going to pay Holiday Inn Express because Holiday Inn Express determines with these virtual hunts, these social media kind of scavenger hunts, what happens. So, and everybody has to take a picture everywhere they are located here. And as they follow this path and then they get back home, then they get to see like the results. So what'll happen is when you can have the dwell time. So I can have you stay 5 minutes at Verizon, go get a free ice cream cone and post that picture. I can even have you stop in at Chili's for a free drink, but then I want you to leave after your free drink because you have only 10 minutes in here to get over to Mia's. Now you only have 10 minutes as well to get to Mia's, but then at Longhorns you need to stay like 15 minutes or 20 or 30 minutes where we kind of control who sits down and where they eat. Plus, you have to take a picture of the Longhorn food, and you can't take a picture of the Longhorn food unless you order it. You have to take a picture of your meal. And this is part of the contest to win a free room back here at the Holiday Inn Express. So by controlling dwell times, by controlling pictures, by controlling the social media, you've got all of these customers here following this little path, getting free stuff and benefits, shooting pictures, posting their whole net, telling them how much fun it is at the Express, all the ice cream, how great that is, and this Mia's has really good pizza, and Longhorns has this, and all this kind of thing. You can see why that's valuable. And I'm going to zoom in and show you one thing before we have to go. Do you notice that when I zoom into Walmart, I can start seeing every little section or location of Walmart? I can literally draw a fence around the toys, and I could send everybody to the toy section, which means it doesn't count when they come in the front door. It only counts when they get into the toy section, and they need to spend 5 minutes in the toy section in order to qualify for a prize back at the Holiday Inn Express. So you can break it down with, and if we had a beacon in here and a sensor in Walmart, we could break it down to the very aisle in front of Kraft macaroni and cheese. So it's a phenomenal thing what you can do. The monetization is amazing. Stay tuned. We'll give you more lessons later.